Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by positioning the floating app and the other app on screen. First, make sure the floating window is active. Some apps restrict split mode. Next, open your recent apps or app icon menu and tap and hold the floating app's header to reveal split screen options. Once you see the split or dock command, drag the window toward the top or left of the screen to anchor it. This triggers the system to prepare the other app for the second pane. Once done, choose the second app to occupy the remaining pane. You can tap it in Recents or pick from the home screen. Make sure to position the divider where you want it, then drag slowly to resize. The system will snap to usable sizes. If you need to swap focus, use the app controls or the divider handle to change which app responds to input. Remember that keyboard and input behavior may change when split is active, so check focus after switching. To finish, tidy the layout. Tap the divider to reveal quick actions like swap or app-specific settings and position the panes for your workflow. When you're done, drag the divider to an edge or use the Recent Apps menu to exit split mode. If split screen doesn't engage, force close the floating app and reopen it, or disable floating mode and repeat the steps. This often clears state issues. If problems persist, reboot the device to reset window management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.